Well, it's Saturday, and it's the 1st of October, and we finished our chain guard, and pretty much got it all finished as the Batmobile. Water pump leaked a little bit, just tightened up the glands. It's good. Andreas is checking on some of the stuff. One hell of a car. Man, it's got a lot of torque. One whole hell of a lot of torque. We're about to take it out for a little run. Maybe get a little fuel. So Andre's getting into it now. Andreas, will you drive? We'll take it for a run. Get in, drive. We're going to take it out for a little bit of a run. Okay, sorry to juggle you around like that, friends, but here we go. Got a hell of a lot of torque since it's 16 liters, 1,013 cubic inches, and 24 plugs. Man, it makes a beautiful sound. Hell, if it was me walking in front of it, I wouldn't. I'd be running. Bounces around. Okay, now back into first. There we go. The more it runs, the better it gets. Right now, we're doing. There's a happy camper right there. This is when the fruits of your labor all comes together. You're able to haul ass down the road. We're on the road again. Don't ask me why we don't have a radio or a tape deck. This thing makes its own music. Oh, 1,013 cubic inches of it. This is what's coming at us. Go. Going up to the local gas station. They only love us when you get about 3 or 4 miles to the gallon. That's half our time. Listen to this thing sing. A minute ago, I forgot my wallet. Now, that's all we got is cars in here. Now we can go in the front bunk, maybe.
Yeah?
Yeah, it should be.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. Here we go. All right, we made it. Just want you to see, this was that lovely item that George gave us, compliment to the barristers. This is the only authorized Batmobile other than the Batmobile from the barristers. Joji and Barry, isn't this wonderful? Here we are to pay for part of this fuel station. Anyway, wanted you to see it. This is it, driving it around the neighborhood, just bugging people.